Starting out in beautiful Bay City, Texas, on the Colorado River in Matagorda Bay County. And today we're going to take a kayak trip down this beautiful resource. While the climate debate rages on, one thing is beyond debate: the need for meaningful stewardship of our most important resource, water, specifically the Texas-Colorado River. The Colorado River is the 18th longest river in the United States and the longest river with both its source and mouth within Texas. The 862-mile-long river flows generally southeast from Dawson County through Marble Falls, Austin, Bastrop, Smithville, LaGrange, Columbus, Wharton, and Bay City before emptying into the Gulf of Mexico. Poso Media and the Lower Colorado River Authority are teaming up to help educate our friends and neighbors about this amazing resource that quenches Austin's thirst, irrigates farms, and sustains ranches all the way to the Gulf. And while the plan is to have fun, what we really want is for you to love and enjoy this river as much as we do. That's why we're planning events from Lady Bird Lake to Matagorda Bay to entice, seduce, and cajole you into getting wet with us. I took this kayak trip from Bay City to Matagorda Bay to get a sense of the difficulty. I kept a quicker pace than normal, finishing in only 5 hours. I also kayaked from Austin to Lost Pines, altogether having traveled about 20% of the distance between Lady Bird Lake and the bay. The plan is to go the full 300 miles, but first, I'm trying different parts of it to understand the time, effort, and logistics involved in such an undertaking. One thing's for sure, this was an awesome ride. If any of you are interested in joining in any part of this adventure, write to Raymond at posoutdoor.com. And here is the tail end of the Bay City to Matagorda Bay kayak training trip for the Bird to Bay River Run. This is the end of the Colorado River here. This is Matagorda Bay Nature Park. That's the Gulf over there. You can drive right onto the beach, and this big area here would be where we would have an end of trip party. Bird to Bay training run from Bay City, Texas to Matagorda Bay, Texas. Had a wonderful time, all except for the damn motorboats. I'm convinced they were trying to capsize me.
Beautiful place, breathtaking views. Everybody should see it.